spiral is made up of successive semicircles which centers alternatively A and B, starting with center A of radius 0.5 centimeters, 1 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters as shown in the figure 5.4. This is the figure 5.4. What is the total length of such spirals made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi equals to 22 by 7. See, this is the semicircle, first semicircle with center A. See the second semicircle with center B. Okay. So, ilaga velthu pote 13 semicircles vachetappadiki total length enta avutundi. Okay. What are the radius here? Radius is 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 centimeters. These are all centimeters. So on up to 13 times. Okay. So say the length of the semicircle is L1. Total length of spiral. Total length of spiral equals to L1 plus L2 plus so on up to L13. Okay. So here L1, L2, L3 are what are the type this one? Semicircles. So that equals to pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 plus so on up to pi 13. Pi r13. So 13 semicircles are there. So take pi as the common. R1 plus R2 plus so on R13. Okay. Now pi times of R1 value 0.5. So 1 plus 1.5 so on. Leave it. Find this value. So here this value I want to find this value. So here A1 equals to 0. Find this sum. A1 equals to 0.5. A2 equals to 1. A3 equals to 1.5. Okay. See the difference. A2 minus A1 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. So common difference is same. So this is AB. So what in AB? What is the key formula common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 0.5 equals to 0.5. Now we will find S13. These are how many times are there? 13 times. What is the SN formula? Find the sum. SN formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I want to find S13 equals to 13 over 2 a value here 0.5 plus 13 minus 1 d value also 0.5. Okay. So that equals to 13 by 2. 2 times of 0.5 is 1 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 0.5. That equals to 13 over 2 into 1 plus 2. 12 times of 0.5. 12 times of 0.5 is 6. So 13 by 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. That is 13 sevens are 91 by 2. Now we will find total length. Total length equals to how much? Pi times of this value. Pi times of this value, how much? 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5. This is the value 91 by 2. So pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 91 by 2. Now see 211 times. 211 times. 7 1s are 7 13s are 11 into 13. So that equals to 11 times 13. 11 3s are 33. 3 balance. 11 1s are 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 143 centimeters.